Welcome back again to the channel. This is Sanitary, and in this video today I'll be making a sanitary pad pouch or purse. So without delay, let's get cracking. Here I've got two pieces of fabric already cut and an interfacing. I've got 6.5 inches by 12.5 inches in length and width. The measurement applies to the interfacing as well. To confirm this again, I've got 6.5 there by 12.5. Once we've confirmed the measurement, we want to start off by working from the wrong side of the fabric. On one piece, you want to place the interfacing on the wrong side and give it a good press. Once that is done, you want to place the right side on right side, the right side of the fabric on the right side of the other one. Now you want to sew all round and make sure you leave up to 4 inches opening so you can turn the fabric after stitching. So I'm gonna make the marking there. I'll leave the 4 inches opening unstitched, and you want to do this to yours as well. Once that is done, you want to cut off the excess fabric on the corners. Then turn the fabric over to the right side. Once that is done, you want to fold in the opening and make sure it is well aligned. You also want to give it a good press so that it sits well, and you want to move on to the next stage. Next, you want to add your fastening. I'm gonna be making use of velcro, but before then I've got to find the exact position for it. So here's my velcro, and I'm gonna be using about 1 inch. I'll make the velcro about 1 inch in width. So you want to do the same. If you want it wider, you can go for 1.5 inches velcro in width, but I'm gonna go with a 1 inch. So now I'm gonna position my velcro. Before then, you want to align that bit of it, fold it over and take 4.5 inches. When folded over like that, on that side and on the other side, then you want to apply pins, to make it stable. Otherwise, you want to grab your iron again and press it, give it a press again. Now I'm gonna attach my velcro. Before attaching the velcro, you need to mark where you want it to be. You want your velcro to align properly. So I'm gonna make the first marking over there, and I'm gonna do the same on the other side. To place the velcro in the best position, make sure you find the midpoint. That will help you find the midpoint and align the velcro. Now you want to go ahead and start stitching, and you're gonna stitch in the square shape all round. Once that is done, you want to do the same to the other side and sew in a square shape as well. This is what you should have. And once that is done, you want to move on to stitching all the way around. You want to start off the stitching by where we measured 4.5 height of the pass. Start it off from there and go all the way around. If you remember, the 4 inches opening we had for the turning will be stitched down in the process while stitching all the way around. Once it's all stitched down, the pass is ready. Yeah, this is ready, and this will fit in 3 to 4 pads. This will fit in 3 to 4 pads, so I'm gonna show you what it's gonna be like fitting in 3 to 4 pads over there. Right, that's 3 pads. You can fit up to 4 pads, and that's it. For tampons, this size of pairs will fit in 2 tampons and a pad. So I'm gonna show you here. I've got 2 tampons there and I'm gonna fit in a pad as well. Now for a bigger size pairs to fit in as much tampons as possible and pads at the same time, I'm gonna go ahead here. As you can see, the fabric is not cut into 2 pieces, it's just one straight piece. The length is 27 inches and the width is 15 inches, so it's 27 by 15 inches. When unfold, the interfacing and the fabric will be 13.5 by 7.5. As you can see there, one side of the pairs is unfold. Can you see? There's no cut over there, and there's a cut over there which I've stitched down. And guys, I carried on with the same process like I did with the first pass, measured up 5.5 instead of the 4.5 inches for the height of the pass. The process of stitching was the same process as the first pass. And look at this, the difference is the width and the height of the pairs, and this pairs will fit more pads and tampons than the first one. So the choice is yours if you want a cute pairs or you want it bigger. There are 2 different measurements here. With the bigger size, you can easily fit in the tampon. As you can see, you can fit up to 4 to 5 tampons as well as 3 to 4 pads at the same time with this size of purse. It is bigger, it is larger than the first one. So it's up to you what size you choose to make. In all honesty, this is the best, super easy and super fast way of making a sanitary pad, purse or pouch. Guys, it is not easier than this. This is the easiest. So thank you so much guys for watching this video right through to the end. I hope this is useful to you. And if it has, remember to subscribe if you haven't. And I'll see you in my next video. Till then, you want to look after yourself and bye for now.